The XHI Professional Works TT Pro 1875 hairdryer features Tourmaline technology and a turbo-powered AC motor for drying hair up to 50% faster. The hairdryer distributes heat evenly, and the 1875 watts of power offer hot, warm, and cold airflow. Accessories include 2 nozzles and our incredible finger-soft style diffuser that adds volume and reduces drying time even more. You will also love the grip and feel, as the handle features ergo dots to prevent slipping and fatigue. The XHI Professional Works TT Pro 1875 hairdryer, recommended for professionals and daily home use. For the entire range of products, visit xhiprofessionalworks.com.